everybody, and welcome to Cooking Up Nutrition. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun breakfast salad. So why don't we get started? We're going to start out with a bed of greens that I already bought pre-washed. Just place them in a large mixing bowl. And then we're going to take, I have about a cup of cherry tomatoes that I sliced in half. I have about a half a cup of blueberries. So we have some nice colors and antioxidants going on. Then we're going to add a few slices of turkey bacon that I put in my air fryer, and I crumbled those up. And then we are going to add some crushed up toasted walnuts to the mix here. Oh, I'll just add them all. And then, this is a really awesome part. I made some croutons. So this is actually pretzel bread that was, I don't know, some days old. I cut it up into small pieces. I added some olive oil, some garlic powder, and I also put everything but the bagel spice on there as well. I baked that for about 10 minutes at 350. So we're gonna top some croutons on there. And I always got to add a little avocado to any salad. No salad of mine goes without avocado, that's for sure. Some nice plant-based fats. Good for the skin. Good for the heart. Good fiber in there. Some fried eggs. So we're going to put the egg on top here like so. And then, last but not least, and I'm not going to put the dressing on yet because it's not ready to serve, but we have an everything but the bagel spice dressing, and all that I put in this was some Fage Greek yogurt. I put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and I put everything but this bagel spice seasoning in there, and a little bit of salt, and just whipped it up. So we're just kind of add that onto the salad, which I will not do at the moment. But it's nice and creamy, as you can see. Tastes really good. And there you have it, a breakfast salad that you can have any time of the day. Doesn't have to be for breakfast. Till next time, have an awesome day, everybody.